We have not seen any significant change or advancement in the field of leadership development over the last few years. If anything, research has shown that things are actually getting worse. A study conducted 10 years ago showed that 2/3 of all change management initiatives failed. A similar study carried out last year found that a staggering 75% of change initiatives and transformations failed to deliver the desired outcomes. There are many reasons why traditional approaches just don't work. One, the way we work has changed fundamentally over the last 30 years. Two, individual workload and stress has increased exponentially. Three, leaders can spend up to 80% of their time in meetings and are drowning in emails the remainder of the time, with little time left for meaningful interface with subordinates. Four, in this current environment, it's difficult to make time to attend intensive multi-day off-site leadership workshops. So we at Audere Partners, wanting to deliver on our mission of driving client success, set out to find a solution. We developed a methodology we call L.E.A.D. L.E.A.D stands for Leadership, Engagement, Alignment and Development. A starting point for our L.E.A.D program is helping leaders assess their personal leadership attributes, utilizing self-assessments and 360-degree feedback from peers and subordinates. This allows leaders to develop a baseline and identify their individual strengths and areas of opportunity, thus creating engagement with and personal ownership of the L.E.A.D program. And now the difficult part, trying to find the time. This is where Audere Partners' unique customized L.E.A.D program comes into play. The program, 1, incorporates 10 bite-sized modules. 2, each module is delivered in a 90-minute workshop weekly or bi-weekly, usually over lunch. 3, creates ownership at the individual and team level to achieve an agreed set of outcomes. 4, it introduces concepts and provides tools for leaders to continually assess personal and team leadership attributes and behaviors. 5, gives participants time between workshops to commit to and practice their chosen key learnings to address the defined leadership development needs. 6, it's an approach that's really gathering momentum, and we are excited to share this with all our clients. If you want to learn more, please call me. I would love to tell you about it.